What are you doing here?
All you people make the same mistake.
What are you talking about?
The trains, all you people get on the wrong trains, including you.
But how can I get on a train if I'm not allowed on one?
Look, it's getting dark. Come inside. We can talk there. Okay, first of all, where do you think you are?
A train station? And by the way, how did I get here? I've been trying to leave all day, and all the conductors would say is go to hell, so I'm pretty confused.
Yeah? And why do you think that is? I mean, what's the last thing you remember before you got to the station?
Easy. Yesterday, after work, Wait, after work? Wait, where do I work? I can't remember. Wait, what are you doing?
Relax. I just watched the cameras.
Then why can't I remember?
It's because you don't get to choose anymore. You're done. The choices have been made for you.
I'm done?
It means you're dead. Hey, looks like your train's here.
A train?
Yeah, we don't want to miss it. Come on. To the train. We gotta go. Come on.
No, please don't let me go. I don't even know what I did. I mean, I kind of have to know, right? I need to know.
Right. You don't know. Oh, this will be fun. Over here. Watch this.
What is it?
It's you.
Am I supposed to be seeing something?
Keep watching.
You stupid race.
Do you see now? You're the worst. You always have been.
But that's not fair.